This is our summertime camping. We usually don't do a lot of camping in the summer, but we decided we're going to come down and spend one full day, stay the night, use the air conditioner. Hopefully we can shut that off at night, and we're going to do some swimming and fishing because we're right on the water. Because this is a summer outing, we get to try out a lot of new things. We have a pod here we have for dressing. We can change inside of here, and then we're using our outdoor shower. Turned out really nice. Rinse off after swimming in the lake. We love our Blackstone, our Suburban, which is the version of Blackstone, but we wanted to use our Teflon for cooking eggs and some breakfast stuff, so we tried this griddle out, and we'll see how that works. Because with the putting it just on the top of the Blackstone, it's too thick for it to get into the pan and cook well, so that way we can use our non-stick on this, and let's see how that works out. So far it's cooking pretty good. It's a little bit slow, but it's cooking pretty good. The true test will be when we put eggs on there. So it does cook up eggs pretty good. Got it on slow. So you can use your Teflon pans on here if you want to just go and use I bought an expandable grill top. Well, we had a good night last night. We got to turn the air conditioner off as we were going to bed. It was a little bit damp, but I think it got down to, I think it was probably 68 or 69 last night, so it was perfect for sleeping. Didn't have to have the air conditioner roaring. So anytime you can get that in the middle of the summer. We're in the middle of July right now in Kentucky, and normally sometimes it can be up to in the 80s at night sometimes, so we were fortunate. So continuing on the summertime camping, you see we've actually had to move our chairs over here to the shade because it got a little warm this morning when we're sitting out eating breakfast. And our plan is for the rest of the day is do a little fishing, and then we're going to go back over and take a swim, and then we'll gradually wrap up, ready to go home by the end of the day. This has an unusual check-in time of 4:30, or it has our check-in time at 5, and then you have to check out at 4:30. So it's kind of strange. You come in late in the evening, and then you have all day the next day. So we're going to utilize every bit of the time that we have. We're almost done. Short little trip. We're gradually going to get our stuff together, and we got about an hour to drive home, and it's been a nice time.